Hey Glam fam, Chrissy Beauty here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into it, look how cute my space buns are. I feel like they just go really well with my sweater and just this whole makeup look. Speaking of, for this makeup look, I literally used solid greens. Literally only green eyeshadow for this makeup look. So if you guys want to see what products I use, then please keep on watching. That was a little awkward, but yeah, let's get right into the video. I'm like also in the middle of eating because I'm starving. I feel like I have stuff in my teeth. Also, I have like, I don't know why. My sister-in-law came over to cut my hair, to trim my hair. Because I'm trying to grow it out. Let's see how long that lasts. It lasted for, I did good though. Previously, I wanted my hair long, so before I got married I didn't cut it. I only did trims, and my sister-in-law, I only trust my sister-in-law to trim my hair because my hair grows with her, but I wanted it to grow longer, so I only trimmed it, and I didn't notice how long it had gotten until I was looking at pictures like of after, like kind of during everything, but also after the wedding, because I didn't cut my hair. Like I think a month after the wedding I was like, oh my gosh, I have to cut my hair because I'm addicted to short hair and cutting my hair. Like I've cut my hair here before, and I just love short hair. Because everybody always tells me they like how I look with short hair, so I feel like that's why I also do it. But I haven't really had long hair, but I did notice before, like my hair had grown, and it was like I had this video on my Instagram, not my beauty Instagram, my other Instagram, my personal Instagram, and my hair is, I'm in San Francisco for one of my baby's birthdays. My sister and I normally go for her birthday. We're kind of trying to make it like a thing. Because she's in Berkeley for school, and we went, and I saw in the video like my hair was like mid back, and I didn't even know it had gotten that long when it's like all the way back here. And like, yeah, I was like, I can get there again, but I'm itching to cut my hair. Anyway, enough with the chit chat. Obviously my brows and primed eyes off camera. I did one eye off camera. It's like a thing I'm doing right now, kind of liking it. Let's just adjust you guys a little bit. That's good. I feel like it was a weird angle. What am I doing? Oh, okay, so we're gonna go with the Morphe M456, and we're gonna go in with the shade Express Yourself from the Morphe, what is it? Blend the Rules palette. That's what it is. So again, because I'm not sure if I missed something, Morphe M456 with Express Yourself from the Morphe Blend the Rules palette. So we're gonna go in our crease and then start blending that slightly above and bringing it all the way over. I'm so sorry, I'm just noticing right now as I'm editing that like this whole beginning part is like a little out of focus. It doesn't seem like it's like that in the rest of the video, so I hope it stays that way, but again, I apologize. I'm so sorry if I'm blocking the camera, but I am. Typically that's why I start with my left eye. Like I do my left eye first, and then I'll do the right eye on camera because I'm a little bit more blinder on my left eye. And I need to like things super close to me on my left eye. Anyway, so now we're gonna go in with the Morphe M506, and we are going to blend, what are we blending? Stroke of Luck from the same palette, the Morphe palette. We're gonna blend that above the green, kind of into our crease, mixing that with the previous green, and also blending that a little bit above. Alright, switching over to a different palette. Sorry, this tag is like making the tattoo on my shoulder really itchy. Okay, switching switching over to a different palette, using the another Morphe M506 brush. We're gonna use Top Secret from Jaclyn Hill's Armed and Gorgeous palette. So it's like a very olivey green kind of color. I think it looks brown right now, but I swear it's like an olive green color. We're gonna put that in our outer corner and start blending that into our crease as well, kind of melting the two greens together, but only in the outer corner. Alright, Glam Fam, so now I am going to cut my crease about halfway through. I wish I could show this part on camera, but I know that I'm not going to be able to see much since it's my... Sorry, I feel like I look so weird because I'm trying to adjust my sweater as I'm talking. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, I feel like I'm going to block the camera because I really can't see it on my left eye, like I said, and without having something super close. So I'm going to do this part off camera and I will come back once my crease is cut. Okay, so now that my crease is cut, we're gonna go back into the Morphe palette and pick up Bold Moves. And I'm gonna apply it on my finger and then go back in with a definer brush that I have here and kind of apply that on the lining part that I did for the cut crease, just so I'm not messing up the line, and I do have a bit of a harsh line. When I do cut my crease, I do set it with RCMA Don't Color Powder just to kind of mattify the whole thing. So like I said, going in with the finger first. Alright guys, I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and then once I'm done with my foundation and concealer, I will be doing my eyeliner and lashes. Every time you guys see me like make these faces, or I'm like boom, 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 it's because as I get ready, as I'm doing all this, so when you guys hear music while I'm doing my foundation, my concealer, and blending and all that, I normally have like either music or a movie on in the background just so I have background noise. Background noise is what I meant to say. I don't even know if I actually said that, but anyway. But I normally have The Princess and the Frog playing, so it's always music, and then I watch it so often because I freaking love the movie, so I like know the lines. Yeah, especially Lottie's lines. Lottie's lines are my favorite. Anyway, so now that my face is done and set, I am going, I hope that wasn't too loud, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna do my liner and lashes, and then we'll go ahead and finish the face once I'm done with that. So now we're gonna go in with our contour and blush. Contour per usual, using my NYX palette, except this time I'm going to use, what is it? Oh, tan. I'm gonna use tan to contour. Just tan. Okay, I'm going to use my Anastasia Gleam Glow Kit, and I'm going to use Mimosa for my highlight. It's a gold highlight. I do have, where is it? A Wet n Wild. It's a face primer, but occasionally I do like to use it to kind of put right before I'm going to put my highlight on, just so it's something wet for the highlight to grab onto, just because it helps it kind of stand out a bit more. Well, not kind of, like a lot of it. And I really like the Voom Shocking highlight a lot of the time. So if I'm going somewhere, I will like apply that first. Not that I'm going anywhere, but I'll apply it on and then do my highlight right on top of that. Oh my gosh, I put my lashes on in like a rush or something. Well, I kind of did do it in a rush. But my right eyelash is like, you know, sometimes if you just put it off like at the slightly wrong angle, it'll like stab at your inner corner, or sometimes like your outer corner, depending on like where you put it on the wrong angle. But I feel like I did that, and now like I feel like if I'm looking, I don't even know which way, but some way, if I'm looking around, I feel like it's poking my inner corner and it's hurting. So I'm gonna do the same thing and put Mimosa on my brow bone, right underneath my brows and my inner corner. So I'm going to go in with Colourpop's Ultra Glossy Lip and a Tension Haul. That's what it's called. It's like my favorite nude gloss. Alright guys, that was the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you guys get notified anytime I post something new. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. I'm not even kidding. My nose is so runny. Okay. I gotta look for my brush. My food is so cold now, I have to heat it up. I feel like I didn't do my intro and my outro, but I think I did. So, I think I'm good. Guys, I'm absolutely obsessed with this makeup look. Like, I'm looking at myself in the camera. Maybe it's just because I just love the whole thing, but I really like it. Also, these are like my favorite lashes and my favorite nude lip, so that's probably why. And I feel like my contour looks really nice today and not even going anywhere. I just see if my husband wants to do something. Yeah. Okay, bye.